Alright, so right now what I'm going to do, toothpaste, gotta bring that when I go down. I need a pen. I need to write stuff down. Alright, we have a lot to do today. Welcome. When you gotta get stuff done, because you can get so much done. Like on my Apple, I really can't do anything. I mean, I could do a lot, but it's not as user friendly when it comes to being productive and getting stuff done. For sure. Because it's a laptop. What can I say? It's a laptop. So, word of advice for everyone: if you can get yourself a desktop of some sort, go ahead and go get it.
Yo, so good news. The event I was talking about has more people coming than we expected, but we want more. It reached our goal, but what we want is more than that. So over the next couple of days, we're going to be marketing it and making sure people are aware of what we're going through, what we're going to have, and we want to get like to 100 people, 100 students. So we gonna make it work. But shameless plug, July 16th is summer Jameer blah blah blah.
I'm so dumb. I locked the door, so I'm literally walked to it, and it was not working. Because I'm not the smartest guy out there. Well, I am pretty smart, you know, but sometimes I don't do the smartest things. Don't we all? It's a part of life, not knowing what to do. Not knowing if you're smart enough or not, because of course not everybody's smart enough. Alright. Oh, jeez. Ow. Alright, I am struggling, bruh. I'm literally struggling. Yo, that was crazy. So this is what happens when you're dedicated to your job. You're a young, motivated individual, ready to take on the day, and you haven't even started your day yet. You drive when you got work to do. You just gotta get it done. Yo, see, like, this is what happens when you got work to do. Just get it done. Peace. Now my belly like it said it all. Of course. So we're waiting. I'm waiting. I thought I'd come to you guys and give you guys an update. The lady came in, said about an hour. Trying to be quick, so you know, I don't look like a dummy. I am still here getting work done. I got myself a cup of coffee. Of course, when you're trying to service a car, the one thing that you need to like happen doesn't happen. So like, for example, there's a screeching noise in my car, and of course we went out, we drove it for a second, and of course it doesn't make the sound. Like, when I really need you to make the sound, you don't want to make the sound. What? What would it be? Honestly, if they asked me that in an interview, I'd probably be like, yo, you guys hired the best person, because this is legit the first question I ask everybody. Yo, imagine flying though. I could go anywhere. You could go anywhere. Bro, if I could fly, bro. If I could fly. Probably be like, it'd be super dope. I'm a fan of Nissan, but if you're gonna get a car from Nissan, it needs to be either a Maxima, and that's it. I'm just being honest. If you're Jamaican, you know what I'm talking about.
Just to pull up in the ladies in the streets in the club, man, I guess that's how they make me every night. Getting lit, I like to party like the 80s, smoking blue strokes, doing the most.
Told you, I'm at one of my favorite spots. Can't really see it, but might get about to get some tacos for my friends. Let's get it. For real though, don't talk to anybody. No. Let me change that. When you talk to somebody, be wary or just be on alert. You know what I'm saying? Don't just be talking to people like me. I'll be doing that. I need to stop. But you know, it was a great conversation. I was expecting it. I knew it was gonna happen. That's why I didn't want to sit there. But then I sat there, and of course, when I sit somewhere, you know, it changes. We're ending the day off strong. You know what I'm saying? Time to go home. Time to go do whatever I want. Thanks for tuning in for today's lifestyle type of vlog / whatever they call this genre. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go and explore Philadelphia. About to go to West Philly. Nah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a wonderful week. Woo! Alright. Yo, it's midnight. Have a great day. Wow.
We only can chill for the weekend, and you gotta go.
Yo! Hey!
Hey, color orange, mingle, label, know the